Tourism is more than just travel. It's a journey that connects cultures. It bridges divides and fosters understanding. When we explore new destinations, we open our minds and hearts. Tourism creates opportunities for dialogue. It builds respect and trust between nations, cultures, and communities. Through these encounters, we realize we are more alike than different. In post-conflict regions, tourism becomes a tool for healing. It supports local economies and empowers communities. Tourism fosters a sense of shared prosperity. Through tourism, wounds of the past can be mended, and a brighter future can be forged. Just as tourism contributes to peace, peace is the foundation upon which tourism thrives. A peaceful environment ensures travelers feel safe. This allows them to immerse themselves in the beauty and culture of a destination. Tourism is not just a journey. It's a pathway to peace. Together, we can build a world where travel opens doors, hearts, and minds. Let's create a future of mutual respect and global harmony.